Gardening Mama.
Dude,
Forest Friends.
Plant the seeds of friendship in the sequel to the best-selling gardening game starring Mama.
Great.
Your forest friends need your help. Harvest flowers, fruits, and vegetables they can sell in the woodland shops. Use your stylus to grow 50 different plants, from ruby red roses to plump eggplants to juicy watermelons bursting with flavor. Design and decorate a lush garden paradise with more than 100 goodies you earn as you play. Fun new activities and cool rewards will get you growing in no time. Gardening Mama 2, Forest Friends on Nintendo 3DS. Ready for harvest this April.